Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom learn the ropes, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to learn the skills to do something. It's her first day in the new job. She really wants to hit the ground running. I really want to learn the ropes quickly. The sooner I get to know the job, the sooner my productivity will rise. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. He had never played golf before, but he wanted to try out a new hobby. I'm not great at this, but once I learn the ropes, I should be decent. The student starts in a new class. This class is very intense. They don't even give you a chance to learn the ropes before they throw an exam at you. When they started their relationship, she had a child from a previous marriage. It didn't take me long to learn the ropes of being a stepdaddy, and now I love every minute of it. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. He has been given a task he isn't familiar with. His colleague says, "We have a high priority project to get done, so you'll have to learn the ropes of this one yourself." The company trainer explains, "As you guys move on, you can keep up to date with our training modules in order to learn the ropes and move up through the company." The entrepreneur gets a question at the presentation. How long was it before you learned the ropes of what you do? I'm an overnight success that took years of hard work. Where did you hear the expression, learn the ropes? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to English Logica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.